What if I told you that the fastest thing in the universe doesn't actually experience movement? Light. The thing that can travel around the Earth 7 times in just 1 second. And yet, from its own point of view, it never moves at all. Sounds impossible, right? But one of the greatest physicists who ever lived, Richard Feynman, said this idea completely changes how you understand reality. And by the end of this video, you'll never look at light, time, or even yourself the same way again. Every single day, you see light from your phone, from your room, from the sun. In school, we're taught one simple fact: light travels at 299,792,458 meters per second. Fast, unimaginably fast. But here's the question almost nobody ever asks: what does light experience while traveling? Does it feel motion? Does time pass for it? Does it even make sense to say light is moving? This is where physics stops being comfortable and starts becoming terrifyingly fascinating. Richard Feynman didn't like memorizing facts. He liked understanding. He once said, "If you think you understand quantum mechanics, you don't." And light lives right at the heart of quantum mechanics. Feynman asked a question most people never even think to ask. What does motion even mean if time doesn't pass? To understand this, we need to destroy a few ideas you've believed your entire life. Think about movement. A car moves because it changes position over time. No time means no motion. Now imagine something that moves at the maximum possible speed, can never slow down, can never stop. That thing is light. According to Einstein's relativity, the faster something moves, the slower time passes for it. For normal objects, this effect is tiny. But for light, time doesn't slow down. Time stops completely. For you, light from the sun takes 8 minutes to reach Earth. But for the photon itself, from the moment it is created to the moment it is absorbed, 0 time passes. No journey, no waiting, no experience of travel. From light's perspective, it is born and absorbed at the exact same instant. That's why physicists say a photon does not experience time. And if time doesn't pass, what does movement even mean? So does light actually move? Here's the mind twist. From our perspective, light moves extremely fast. From light's perspective, there is no before, no after, no distance. So when physicists say light doesn't move, they don't mean it sits still. They mean something deeper. They mean movement itself breaks down at the speed of light. Our human intuition simply stops working. Most people imagine photons like tiny bullets shooting through space. That picture is wrong. Light is not just a particle. Light is not just a wave. It is something stranger. In quantum physics, light does not follow one single path. Instead, it explores all possible paths. This idea was famously described by Richard Feynman himself. Imagine shining a laser at a wall. You think the photon travels straight and hits the wall. But quantum mechanics says something shocking. The photon explores every possible path. Straight paths, curved paths, wild zigzag paths, even paths that loop around and cancel themselves out. Most of these paths interfere and disappear. Only a few survive, and those surviving paths create what we see as a straight beam of light. Light doesn't choose a path. It exists as probability, not certainty. This isn't philosophy. This is tested science. Lasers work because of this. Fiber optic internet works because of this. Your phone camera works because of this. Even GPS satellites must account for relativity. If they didn't, your location would be wrong by miles. Light's strange relationship with time and motion is not optional. Modern technology depends on it. Now here's where this gets personal. You think you're solid, but you're not. You are mostly empty space. Atoms, fields, forces. So why don't you fall straight through the floor? Because of electromagnetic forces. The same physics that governs light. Light isn't just something you see. It's a fundamental part of what makes matter stable. Reality itself is built on these invisible rules. Why does the universe have a speed limit? Because the speed of light is not just the speed of light. It's the speed of information. The speed of cause and effect. The speed at which reality updates itself. Nothing can go faster, because time, space, and causality would break. Light sets the rules. This is why faster than light travel and instant communication across galaxies is likely impossible. Not because we lack technology, but because time itself refuses to allow it. And now, here's the realization that stays with you. You experience the past, the present, the future. Light does not. You are a creature of time. Light is not. And yet, everything you see, everything you know, everything you are aware of, comes to you through light. So in a strange way, reality is built on something that does not experience reality. The next time you see sunlight, remember this: that light left the sun 8 minutes ago for you, but for the light itself, it never left. It never traveled. It simply was. And that single fact quietly destroys everything you thought you understood about motion, time, and existence. If this made you think, even a little, like the video, subscribe to the channel, because physics isn't about equations. It's about realizing how strange the universe truly is.